Right now, what you're witnessing is the blizzard of '07. We all knew it was coming. It's our time. It's talked about in Revelation, actually. It's kind of terrifying. I'm going to give you a glimpse of what it looks like. The roads are bleak. The snow's starting to stick to the roads. Ice is coming up. The creek is flooding over. I don't know how much longer we'll make it. So I've been in here for, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. The snow's completely covered the car. And I don't know. Oh God. Matt? Matt, is that you? Come on, the door's unlocked. Hurry! Oh gosh! Someone's coming to save me. Matt! What's it like out there? Oh gosh. Matt. Smatchy. Okay, are you gonna be okay, Matt? I'm so cold. It's so cold. Oh gosh, Matt. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Oh gosh, Matt. It's snowing. Been trapped in here for 6 hours. As you can see, the car is completely covered in snow. Matthew found me right as I came here and jumped out inside with me. I don't know how long we're gonna make it.
I don't think we are,
This blizzard is too much. I'm trying to channel Bear Grylls, but sometimes it's hard. It's hard. It's just too hard.
But you have to remember how beautiful the snow can be, and you just sit out here and then the surviving kicks in, and your survival part of your brain kicks in, and it's just, then you realize, I'm not gonna make it. This is where I'm gonna die, and for some strange reason, I'm okay with that.
It's times like these when you think about the things that are most important to you.
Yes, like family,
like Jesus.
Oh, Jesus.
Like, I don't know, Thanksgiving. What does that really mean, Thanksgiving? Is that some, term for a holiday that we celebrate, or does it mean something more? Are we giving thanks, or are we thanksgiving?
You could interpret it in different ways, but,
it comes down to giving thanks. And right now I'm thankful that, I'm here with my brother, and that we're gonna die. And that together. And that, I don't know how long we're gonna make it in here. Matt? Oh no. I think Matt's gone. I didn't want it to be like this.
Oh, sorry, I just fell asleep there for a second.
Oh gosh,
my
you
bad.
scared me. Oh,
we've been in here for like 8 hours, man, so I'm kind of tired, so...
I almost had some tears coming.
Oh, man.
Oh, that was
sorry.
That's okay. Well...
Small joke.
Alright,
Alright, well...
I think it's about time.
We're gonna try. We're gonna try to get out of here, I'm not gonna sit my whole life and say, what if? We're gonna go.
Okay.
Let's try.
Yeah, okay, let's start.
It started.
Yeah, let's go to Walmart.
Let's go, it's Walmart.
Okay.